Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits, and if you are an activity person, you should include sweet potatoes in your diet because they are an excellent source of carbohydrate. Here are some of the benefits of sweet potatoes. Rich in nutrients. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese. They also contain fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Antioxidant properties. The high levels of beta-carotene and other antioxidants in sweet potatoes help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Blood sugar regulation. Despite their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index compared to regular potatoes. This means they can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes or those concerned about blood sugar spikes. Heart health. The potassium content in sweet potatoes helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Supports vision. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes is essential for good vision and overall eye health. Boosts immunity. The combination of vitamins and minerals in sweet potatoes strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. Now, let's explore some different ways to prepare and eat sweet potatoes. Baked sweet potatoes. Wash and scrub the sweet potatoes, prick them with a fork, and bake them whole in the oven until tender. You can enjoy them with a little butter, cinnamon, or even a sprinkle of brown sugar for added flavor. Sweet potato fries. Cut sweet potatoes into thin strips, toss them with olive oil, salt, and your favorite seasonings, then bake or air fry until crispy. Mashed sweet potatoes. Peel and boil sweet potatoes until soft, then mash them with butter, a splash of milk, salt, and pepper for a delightful side dish. Sweet potato casserole. Combine mashed sweet potatoes with a sweet and buttery topping made from brown sugar, pecans, and marshmallows. Bake until the topping is golden and toasted. Roasted sweet potatoes. Cut sweet potatoes into chunks or wedges, toss them with olive oil, salt, and your choice of herbs or spices, then roast them in the oven until they are caramelized and tender. Sweet potato soup. Cook diced sweet potatoes with onions, garlic, and vegetable broth until soft. Blend the mixture until smooth, season to taste, and add a dash of cream or coconut milk for added richness. Sweet potato pancakes. Incorporate grated sweet potatoes into your pancake batter for a delicious and nutritious twist on traditional pancakes. Sweet potato salad. Cube boiled sweet potatoes and mix them with fresh vegetables, such as bell peppers, onions, and cucumbers. Dress with a vinaigrette or a tangy yogurt-based dressing. Remember, sweet potatoes are versatile, and you can experiment with various herbs, spices, and flavors to create a wide range of delicious dishes that suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.